It's a 2025 Honda CRV. I have upgraded my turn signals right here, and to do it I had to take this mirror off, and everything else was pretty simple except this mirror is very hard if you don't know what you're doing. So you hit your controls to move the mirror all the way. I recommend you get this little fork tool. Looks like this. You can get it at Harbor Freight. This is a game changer. I think you're really going to need it for this year. So when you pop it out, you'll pop it right here. Now mind you, there is 3 things that just popped out. The centerpiece that goes here, and these 2 little adjustment knobs, and they go in and out. As they turn, they go in and out. When you go to push this back in and we snap it in, these 2 guys will retract and not snap into the holes. If you look at the bottom, they're slotted. This one has to be slotted down, see that little slot? This one has to be slotted to the left. So the trick is you want to take this tool, notch it right here to hold it in place, and snap the bottom one on. After we snap the bottom one on, I'm going to hold the top one, snap the top one on. Now these 2 pieces will be connected, but the center one won't be in, and now I can push the mirror in straight. If you try to just push the mirror in straight, these 2 little guys will go in and will not snap in here, and your mirror will be real loose. So if you have a loose mirror, that is your problem right now. So what I'm about to do is if you can see right here, I'm gonna hold this, I'm gonna hold it in, and I'm gonna try to keep it in place, pointed down. It's trying to retract right now. So I'm gonna bring it back out, I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna try to snap this little bad boy in there. Let me stand up for a second. I need to get more leverage. It's gotta be pointed down. And the bottom one you can actually do from almost any angle. I need more leverage to push on this thing, because it is not fun. I don't know if you can see it on the side. It is a pain. It is a pain. Oh, that was it. Come take a look. Can you see it's right there? It's connected. If you don't have this tool, you're not going to be able to do this. This piece right here is connected. Now I'm going to go to this one. It has to be pointed towards me to the left to line up with the notch. So I'm going to actually go this direction. Come from the right. If you can see that. It's in. So now I have this white one and this white one. Now I have to get the ball in the center in. So you line up the ball. Boom. There we go. It's in.